this is Dana Cole. I am back with another light setup for you guys today, and we have our lovely model Sophie. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a 2-light look using my main light, which is going to be an umbrella, and a second light, which is going to be a gel. So this look is going to feature colored gels because I know some people are interested in that, so we are going to do that with this setup. Okay, so I'm using my Canon 5D Mark II for this, and my Canon 24105. The settings for this is f9. I'm at 1/160th of a second, and my ISO is at 100. So that is my camera and lens setup for this. And now I'm going to show you my light setup. Okay, so we are using the Profoto D1 with a silver umbrella, Profoto Deep, the M version. And my power settings are at 7.5 for this. And as you can see, this is hitting Sophie here. So this is going to be her main light. And then over here, I have a red gel on a D1 also. And this is just going to, as you can see what it is doing here, it is giving red on this side of her body till around here. And so yeah, that is this particular setup. And now we're going to shoot, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so you have seen what it looks like with a 2-light setup, one being a umbrella, silver umbrella, and one being a red gel to the model's right side. And I hope you found this educational. I do hope you try this and see what you come up with if you have not tried it yet. I would love to see your results. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you can post them there. And also, if you like these videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can get notifications when I have a new video up. If you have any questions for me, or if there's another type of video you would like to see me do in the future, just comment it below and I'll see if I can do that for you. All right, and so I think that's it for today. We will see you next time. Bye.